All right, Justin, what are we doing today?
We are doing coilovers.
Lower coilovers.
Lower coilovers.
You said if it doesn't scrape the frame, it's not worthy. No?
Nope.
No?
That ain't right.
Man.
Do we need abrasion plates on the bottom too?
Low enough.
Was not going up.
Dun, dun, dun.
Or you want to lower them?
Because it should be like that. Give me that ratchet wrench. That nut.
So what are you doing? Lower?
No, we'll stick them in like this. And then we'll
You still gotta do alignment too, right?
that's when I do all that too. Yeah.
Straight up. Oh. Trying to get it. Should be able to go straight up. Twist a little bit. Oh, I just seen. Okay, twist the coil towards the back and push up. No. You gotta twist a little bit towards the front. I'm trying to like wiggle it where it needs to go.
There we go.
Come up a little bit more. Got no threads.
That's as far as it goes.
Oh, we can come up more. I got about a ½ inch. There it is.
There you go.
Got it.
She's seating now.
Anytime. That's what I like doing.
Tom, what are we doing?
We're gonna take this engine out and put in a new engine, right?
To be continued. What is up, YouTube, man? Today was a great day. Me and Mike headed out with Tom to place out in Delafield to meet up with a guy to pick up a Cobb access board for the Hulk. Gave me a good deal on it. Thank you, DeMarcus. You're a great man. Thank you for holding your word and being there and letting us check it out and test it first. You know, if you guys got chances, man, buy these parts on Marketplace. There's good dudes out there that are trying to sell them to use the money for whatever. Check them out, man. Hit them up. Don't be shy. They're great people. After that, during that, we met up with Justin. Stopped, got a bite to eat, and then we cruised over to Justin's parents' house where he is pulling the motor out of his Subaru. We put a set of coilovers on it that he just recently had picked up. That's what this video has. And we started to disassemble the motor and get it ready to pull. I did not film a lot of that because we were hanging out, talking, working. You know, I will be getting more of it. We will be getting a video on putting the motor in. We're definitely going to film some stuff of putting the motor together and throw that stuff up here for you guys. Spring's around the corner, man. Let's all get together. Let's have a good time. Let's just enjoy. Let's build these cars and enjoy. And thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one.